Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's your host Nick, November Echo Kilo. Today we will try something different. First of all, we want to see how far this radio can go. Like, have you ever wondered how far my radio can go with my setup and my antenna? So let's see. This is channel 38. This gentleman is from Texas. Texas is booming lately in Toronto. Every other day you will hear Texas, Texas, Texas. All right, this is what we're listening here. But if I was in the UK, what stations can I listen from the UK? This is from this receiver here. So if I was in the UK, it's a train wreck. Listen to this.
Houston, making a great trip, buddy. Merry Christmas, Kenny. Everything good, brother. Can't complain, man. It gets us nowhere anyway.
Somebody's playing music. Let's see. There's the guy with that Roger beep. Let's see if we can get him here. I think he's coming here too. The gentleman that's singing. Anyway, so if I was in the UK, this is what I hear on 38. All right, let's see. Can we make it to the UK? Because we're only... Oh God, it's a train wreck here. Hold on, let me mute this. It's a train wreck. So let's find a quiet frequency. Let's go to 33 upper side band. No. Okay, let's go to 31 upper side band, 27315. What? Who are these people? I need to find a quiet channel. Okay, let's go to 26. Okay, let's go to 39. 39 upper side band. So we will go here at, I can type the frequency, but it's not difficult. There you go. We are at 395. We'll go to upper side band. We will unmute. I'm curious to see. All right, let's make a call. Security X, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63, Toronto, Canada. Did you hear that? Did you hear that, guys? Let me do it again. We're in the UK. Security X, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63, Toronto, Canada. There you go. Unreal, eh? And, yeah, just a stock radio. Let's try one more time. I'm going to put the volume up a little bit. This receiver has also filters that we can work on, but let's see the AGC here. We'll give it some gain. Let's try like that. Security X, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63, Toronto, Canada. I can hear myself, but let's give it a little gain. Let's see. CKDX, 9 Oscar Charlie 63, Toronto, Canada. You hear that? We're doing something. Let's see here. Oh, I gotta open it. CKDX. I can hear it. CKDX, 9 Oscar Charlie 63, Toronto, Canada. There you go, guys. We are transmitting and we can hear ourselves in the UK. So, pretty cool, eh? Let's try. How about it? Anyway, let's try. Let's go to Germany. So I'm gonna mute this and let's go to Germany. All right, we're in Germany. 27395 USB upper side band. Let's see. CKDX, 9 Oscar Charlie 63, Toronto, Canada. No, okay, we cannot make it in Germany. Probably we don't have conditions. Let's see what Germany is listening on 385. Not a lot. Yeah. Okay, we will come back in Germany a little bit later. Let's go to Italy. Can we make Italy? Let's see on this part of Italy. This is in Roma.
World Radio 7003, North Carolina, calling CKDX.
All right, let's see. Yeah, those stations are not making it in Italy, at least in Rome, where we have this receiver. Let's see if we can make it. So let's go back to 39 upper side band, and we'll go from here to 95. These guys are not making it there. Chances are we're not going to make it either, because this is 27395, channel 39, USB, and we are on USB. So let's go to 36. Let's go to 36, 27365. Enter. That's a little bit more quiet here. Let's see if we can make a call. CKDX, 9 Oscar Charlie 63, Toronto, Canada. All right, we're not making it to Italy either. Okay, at least we tried. So let's go back to the UK and see what is happening over there. UK is booming. Well, we're booming into the UK, and you hear this squeal. Here, let me lower this volume down. Let's see if we can go to these are the people that go to 83 and talk over there. Let's go back. Let's go to 39. Oh, we passed it, sorry. I'm gonna make a call. Security X, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63, Toronto, Canada. You hear that?
Sounds good, bro.
We're making it into the UK. I can't believe it, with this little window antenna. So you're sitting at home, right? And let me lower this volume. And like this case here, you don't listen to anything, and you're like, Skip is dead, right? No, if you key up, let's go upper side band. It's a little bit more quieter. So you can be heard into the UK. Let's see. Security X, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63, Toronto, Canada. See that? Isn't that cool or what? Let's try France. Let's go to France. All right, we made it to France. The same suspects. The same suspects on 38. So when you grab the radio and talk to your locals, hey, we can hear you in France, we can hear you in the UK. So it's not just you talking to your local buddy. There's more to this. Like, look at, we're in France. So let's try our channel here, 395. 395. Oops, we passed it. Went too fast. And then upper side band. Let's see. Security X, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63, Toronto, Canada. Security X, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63, Toronto, Canada. No, we cannot make it there. That's fine, at least we tried. So we cannot make it in France. Let's find another, let's go a bit higher on channel 40 maybe. Oh, let's go here, 400. There you go. Security X, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63, Toronto, Canada. Let's try lower side band, just out of curiosity. Oh boy. Security X, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63, Toronto, Canada. Alright, we're not making it there. We can only make it into the UK. Let's see if we can find another receiver. So I found another receiver from France, 27400. Lower side band, but I tried already. We cannot make it there as well. Security X, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63, Toronto, Canada. Yeah, no. Alright, let's find another receiver somewhere else. I found another receiver on the Netherlands. Unbelievable. Let's see. We're low side band, 27400. Security X, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63, Toronto, Canada. Okay, we cannot make it on the Netherlands. I'll try another station there, though, because this is not very active. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, no. We'll find something else. Am I picking something on 39? Oh, 39. Alright, let's find another receiver. Alright, I tried a few other receivers. Obviously, we cannot make it. This is the one receiver from the UK that we can make it. So let me put this back into oh, Bristol, England. Well, this gentleman from Texas is making it, but we couldn't hear the other station. So this goes to show you that when you talk on your radio with your locals, hey, it's not just locals. We can hear you in the UK. Let's listen a little bit. Let's listen. Look at this station here.
Something was turned on all the time on 6 meters. Somebody noticed that the other day and reported that, and Richie went in there and looked at it and saw, yep, that's an issue, so he went ahead and fixed it here. And then the other day he re-released the software, and he called it, it's a final version, but it's called U1.
Some stations we cannot even get here with our little window antenna, obviously, and with our area. Oh, thank you. Yes, finally. Thank you. This gentleman was from the UK Guarantee and told them that this is a calling frequency. QSY somewhere else if you want to have a conversation. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Okay, number 173. The band is getting kind of crummy.
Oh, yeah.
Have a good day. This is 1011, Northern Illinois.
Yeah, Mr. Northern Illinois. I think you're gonna go to your 38 and talk local, but we can hear you in the UK. There you go. This gentleman told them off. Good. So yeah, let's go back to our frequency. See if we can make it. Where was I? 27, 400. Yeah, it's quiet. Let's go here. 400. Well, I guess we lost conditions, because before on 27 400 I was able to hear myself in this receiver from the UK. What? What? Is this frequency in use? There you go. All right, good to know. Good to know. Who am I talking to? All right. I am 63, Toronto, Canada, with a window antenna. Just making a quick test here. All right, but somebody's here. Anyway, so yeah. So back to what I was saying. How far can your radio go? Like you saw earlier at the beginning of the video, we were making it on the UK. I guess conditions have dropped now. But yeah, let's go back to 38. Oh, good morning, good morning. Somebody's here. All right, you get the idea, guys. Some station was there. I couldn't figure out what was going on. But yeah, so when you're in a channel and no one's talking, and you're like, oh, Skip is dead. No, it's not. Well, unless you're using a receiver. But never say never. Because look at all these stations here that's making it into the UK on channel 38. I want to go here and see who this station is. I don't think we can hear them. All right, so again, we're on a UK receiver, and all of you guys are making it over there. Let's go back to 38 one last time. And let's see. So when you talk on the radio thinking that you're only talking to your locals, there's the proof that you're making it overseas. And even other people complained. See, the other gentleman said, this is an international calling frequency. Go somewhere else. QSY somewhere else. All right, thanks, guys. Thank you for watching. And Merry Christmas to everybody. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. 73s.
Enjoy your Christmas. Yeah, 140.